In this tutorial, we want to learn how to create invoice and send it to your client. Here we go. Now, when you open your website manager like this, or your app manager, anyone, go straight to add-ons. Then you click on plus. Search for invoice. You can see we have invoice and quotation generator, so we need to install it. After that, you can see you can create invoice and you can create quotation. So if you are able to do this, you'll be able to do this one also. So I'm going to teach you how to do this. So the same knowledge, you apply it here. Now click here. Now invoice generator link. So you are going to follow this link. You can copy it or you right click. So let me copy it and open your tab, paste it there. Now this is our generator. Now before that, I need two things. The first is logo and the second is signature. So now if you want to include tax, that's going to select maybe by percent or flat. So let me offer it. The currency I want to use, let me use Naira, and this one I want to offer it. So your logo. So we are going to set our logo. So let me go for this. And your signature, I have it here. Now this is invoice. You can call it invoice report number, billing date, any date you like, due date, so put anything like that. Alright, after that, billing from this, or the name of my website is my sample website, so it will be fetched here automatically. So if you want to change it, you can still edit it. Your address will be here. You have second line address, your phone number, your email address. So let me use sample@gmail.com. Now after that, now here we have business name. So the place you are sending the billing to. So I'm sending to, let me use maybe Codecraft here like this. Now this email address. Now what are you selling? Let's say biscuits. Now how many quantity? So that's one. How much is it? Let's say 1,000 naira. So if you want to add more, you can see you can be adding here. Okay, after that, in case you want to add to this place as well, you can add. Now the color of your invoice, so select color here. Or by stamp, anything you like, put anything there. So let me use this. Now what do you want to do? Do you want to generate the invoice and download it, or you want to send it to your client? So let's do it one after the other. Let me do this one first. So I want to generate it. You can see it's generated successfully. This is my logo, so you can change use your logo. So this is my own logo, and the signature is already here. You can see it here. Good. Now, and if you want to download it, click on this place to download the PDF. So you want to send to your client, click on send invoice. The email address of your client. Now what email address do you want to send this to? So this is the email address. Now what is the name of you or your company? So let me use this. Now what is your email address? My own personal email address. I think let me use this one. Now any message you want to send, do you want to receive copy as well? So let me just send a mail. The mail is sent, the invoice is sent successfully. Now let me go to my mail to see how it will look like. So you refresh. Now I can find my email now. So when you click on this, the mail is sent from Codecraft. You can see, so this is a PDF. I can download it from here. I can send it to my drive. So let me open it. So this is the thing I sent, this signature. So this is how invoice will look like. Now the same process you will take to that quotation aspect. So come to this place, you can see copy this, then you generate your quotation. So there's difference between invoice and just a little different. So it is a little different. So when you go there, you understand everything. Now that is a simple way to generate invoice and quotation using your website manager. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on this summer about.